Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 1st, 2025. I'm here at Berkman Plaza Marina. I am not done cleaning this Wellcraft, but I did have a few concerns that are at least worth videoing at least. One of them is your props right here on these blades. They're cut up, they're bent, they are nasty. The other one is in here. I was able to put my hand through underneath the outdrive, and I realized there's like a huge hose that seems to be cut in half. So let me go ahead and get a look at that, and just so you guys can see. Now that looks and feels like it's supposed to connect straight to the hull. So something tells me that that's a pretty big issue. I'm going to let Dane get this video to where he can tell you what's going on.